Hey, how are you? Welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar.
Oh, I'm great, Chris. How you doing?
I'm great. Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too.
What's going on?
I'm here for a cocktail. You know, I come here for cocktails.
As you should. We have a lot of cocktails here.
Yeah, you do.
What are you doing for today?
Well, what do you got? You got anything new? Anything I haven't had before?
I do. I have a great new cocktail that I've been learning about. It's the Bramble.
Bramble? No, I haven't heard of that one.
Bramble. It's a gin-based cocktail, refreshing over crushed ice, lemon juice, blackberry liqueur.
Oh, that sounds great.
Great for a sunny day.
Yeah, it's hot out there.
It is hot.
Well, let's bramble on.
All right, Bramble on it is. We're gonna go with 2 ounces of gin in a cocktail shaker.
It's a nice healthy pour.
It's a great pour.
Yeah.
We're gonna do lemon juice. We're gonna do 1 ounce of that. We're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, sugar and water.
A little sweet.
It's gonna sweeten the drink up. Correct.
It's got to balance out that lemon. It's
Yes,
a lot of lemon.
all the acidity. You're absolutely correct. Now, 3 ingredients, pretty easy. We're gonna set that to the side. We're gonna get a rocks glass or an old-fashioned glass. We're going to take your Lewis bag, which is a lint-free bag. We're gonna crush the ice.
Lid free, huh?
Lint-free. It's an important part.
Oh yeah, you don't want any lint in your drink.
No, absolutely not. And they call it a Lewis bag.
Mr. Lewis.
And Mr. Lewis himself.
Maybe
for this
Mrs.
bag.
Lewis.
Yeah. We're going to take the official mallet, and we're just going to pump it back.
It's flying everywhere.
Yeah, you do it behind the bar, just so you don't hurt any patrons.
Yeah, make sure there's no children around.
So this is an all-size Lewis bag. This is a small size Lewis bag.
Yeah.
I'm not making a whole lot of fresh ice cocktails around here, so I need a large bag. Maybe if this drink is popular, maybe we'll invest in a larger bag.
Maybe. Where'd this cocktail come from, Chris?
This cocktail came from London, actually. Dick Bradsell.
Dick Bradsell?
Dick Bradsell.
That's a great name. Sounds like he should play for the Steelers in the 70s or something.
Very close. Yeah, he worked at the Soho House in London.
Oh, yeah?
At Fred's Club.
That was a hot spot.
Yeah, 1980s. This is actually, it is very exclusive. Oh, yeah.
Good thing you're making. I probably couldn't get in over there.
Yeah, but at the Blue Collar Bar, you're always welcome there.
Yeah.
Oh,
right.
yeah. And we're going to get your crushed ice in that old-fashioned glass.
Oh, that looks nice.
Beautiful. Do a little more there for you. Perfect. Now we're going to add ice to your cocktail strainer.
Uh-huh.
And get a good shake.
When did you say this was from, the 80s?
The 80s, yeah. It's actually one of the most famous cocktails of the 80s.
Yeah?
It's coming back around.
You know what else was famous that came out of England in the 80s?
What's that?
Flock of Seagulls.
Oh, great band. I've heard them.
Yeah,
That's absolutely
right.
correct. Tough to cover.
It's the
Must be the
hair.
hair.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Yeah, a ton of work. And then we're going to strain the Hawthorne Strainer over the crushed ice.
Well, it's looking good already.
It is like refreshing.
Yeah.
But we're not done yet.
No? There's
No.
more. Wait.
But wait, there's more. We're going to take a handful of the crushed ice in that Lewis bag, and we're going to put it on the top. We're going to create like a snow cone effect.
Wow.
Just like that.
Wow.
And I'll tell you why. Now, the most important part is the Crème de Mûre, or the Blackberry Liqueur.
Blackberries, huh?
Because Dick Bradsell loved blackberries. As a child, he used
He's
to
a
pick
big
them.
blackberry guy.
Big blackberry, infatuated with them. Oh, I loved it. We're just going to drizzle over the top, about a half an ounce. And we're going to really create a snow cone effect.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
Great looking cocktail.
Beautiful. And then for a garnish, we're going to do a half a lemon wheel. Couple cocktail stirs there.
Tell you what,
Snow cone.
it's a good thing I didn't wear a pair of white shoes.
You're
This
absolutely
looks
correct.
like this might get messy.
Yeah.
Pass that over
It
here.
looks great. Well, here you go.
The Bramble.
Bramble on. Cheers.
Thank you, Chris. Cheers.
You're welcome. See what you think.
That's an incredible drink.
Is it?
That is the perfect summer cocktail.
Awesome. I thought
Sweet,
you'd enjoy it.
sour, The gin comes through really nicely. And then, whoa.
Oh, it's a runaway drink.
That blackberry just gives it just a hint of something else.
Awesome.
Really nice work.
All right, so
nice work.
maybe I'll buy the large Lewis bags. Maybe I'll crank them out all summer long.
Yeah, you should probably buy a bigger bottle of that Crème de Mûre too.
Yeah, this is a sample. Yeah.
Well,
all right, I'll add to the list.
All right, Chris. Well, thanks for another great one.
Great to see you. If you like the Bramble, make sure you like the Blue Collar Bar. Subscribe for many more new cocktails. And I'm on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
I'll check it out.
I hope so.
All right, bye,
Great
Chris.
to see you.
Yep.
Bye.